Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Automobile, are you tired of costly trips to the mechanic just to diagnose a simple check engine light? Well, today I'm going to show you the best OBD2 scanners with key programmers that will save you time and money. From advanced diagnostics to key programming, these tools are a must-have for any car owner or DIYer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, I've got the perfect options for you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the top picks that will transform your car maintenance experience. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for exclusive deals. Number 5. BOSSCOM F745 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool is your ultimate companion for efficient car maintenance. Highly recommended by professional mechanic Devin Niemela, this user-friendly scanner features a large 7-inch screen, making it one of the easiest to navigate diagnostic tools on the market. The F745 provides comprehensive health checks for all systems in your vehicle, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, and more, ensuring your car operates at its best. With 6 commonly used maintenance functions, such as oil reset, throttle relearn, and EPB reset, you can tackle daily tasks with confidence. Its plug-and-play design allows for quick and straightforward operation, even for those unfamiliar with OBD2 scanners. Plus, the enhanced compatibility with over 90 car makes and 10,000 models means this tool is a must-have for every DIY mechanic and family. The BOSSCOM F745 also boasts free lifetime updates and multilingual support, ensuring you're always equipped with the latest diagnostic capabilities. Whether you're searching for the best OBD2 scanner with key programming features or looking for the perfect gift for a car enthusiast, this tool is a game-changer. With 24/7 professional support and hassle-free updates via Wi-Fi, it's a reliable partner for all your automotive needs. Don't miss the chance to elevate your car maintenance game with the BOSSCOM F745. Number 4. Bolan K7 OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth is your ultimate companion for car diagnostics, making it a top choice for anyone looking for the best OBD2 scanner with key programmer. This 2024 top-tier diagnostic tool offers wireless Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to perform a comprehensive bidirectional scan across all systems of your vehicle. With its ECU online/offline coding, you can customize and optimize your vehicle's performance while benefiting from over 31 reset functions, including oil, EPB, TPMS, and ABS bleeding. The K7's OE-level full system scan feature utilizes auto-VIN technology to effortlessly read and clear codes from various ECUs like PCM, ECM, and AC systems, providing detailed diagnostic reports that can be shared via Bluetooth or email. Plus, its advanced ECU coding capabilities allow you to refresh hidden functions, ensuring your vehicle operates at peak efficiency. What sets the Bolan K7 apart is its 10,000-plus car coverage, including support for FCA AutoAuth to access protected modules for brands like Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. With a powerful hardware configuration featuring Android 10.0, a quad-core CPU, and a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this scanner ensures fast and reliable performance, making it ideal for both experienced DIYers and professional mechanics. If you're serious about car maintenance, the Bolan K7 is an investment you won't regret. Number 3. Topin AD800BT, your go-to automotive diagnostic tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With free lifetime upgrades, you can say goodbye to costly subscription fees. This scanner keeps you updated with the latest software via Wi-Fi at no extra cost. Offering over 28 hot reset services, including oil reset, ABS bleeding, and TPMS, this versatile tool makes vehicle maintenance a breeze. Equipped for full system diagnosis, the AD800BT provides OE-level analysis across various systems such as ECM, ABS, airbag, and more. Whether you need to pull or clear codes, turn off warning lights, or view live data, this scanner has you covered. Its wireless Bluetooth functionality allows you to operate within a 33-foot range, while the AutoVIN feature automatically identifies your vehicle's make and model, ensuring precise diagnostics every time. Compatible with 96 vehicle brands, the Topin AD800BT is an essential tool for technicians, auto repair shops, and even home mechanics. Its comprehensive package includes everything you need: the diagnostic tool, VCI dongle, protective case, and more. Experience hassle-free automotive diagnostics with the Topin AD800BT, your ultimate OBD2 scanner with key programming capabilities. For reliable performance and user-friendly features, the Topin AD800BT stands out as one of the best OBD2 scanners with key programmer on the market today. Number 2. Autel D7 Bidirectional OBD2 Scanner, the ultimate automotive diagnostic tool for 2024. This cutting-edge scanner features an upgraded version 2.0 interface that simplifies navigation and enhances user experience. With support for FCA Auto-Off and CAN-FD, it's perfect for Chrysler, post-2018, and GM vehicles, post-2020. Thanks to its powerful 5,000 mAh battery, you can conduct thorough diagnostics all day long without interruption. The Autel D7 offers over 36 plus reset functions and the ability to perform 4,000 plus active tests, enabling you to send commands to various ECUs for active tests like AC clutch and fuel injector checks. This versatile scanner covers over 10,000 vehicle models, making it a valuable asset for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Its OE-level full system diagnostics and up to 8 PIDs graphing ensure dealership-level accuracy, while features like live data export and diagnostic report sharing keep your workflow efficient. Plus, the Autel D7 is available in 16 languages, breaking down language barriers for mechanics worldwide. Whether you need to perform oil resets, ABS initialization, or crank relearns, the Autel D7 has got you covered. With 3 years of free updates, you'll always have the latest features at your fingertips. Don't miss out on saving up to $500 per year with this exceptional value tool, making it the perfect choice for the best OBD2 scanner with key programmer in 2024. Number 1. Foxwell NT604 Elite OBD2 Scanner, your ultimate car diagnostic companion for 2024. Designed for car owners who want to identify issues before heading to the mechanic, this scanner works right out of the box, no tedious software downloads required. The NT604 Elite provides comprehensive diagnostics for essential systems like ABS, SRS, transmission, and check engine lights, ensuring you can pinpoint the root cause of any problem with ease. What sets the NT604 Elite apart is its affordability and reliability as a car health monitor. When those warning lights flash, you can trust this scanner to thoroughly check your vehicle and help turn off the warning once the problem is resolved. With its 5-in-1 functionality, it's not just an OBDII scanner, it also serves as an ABS/SRS scanner, transmission code reader, and more, making it a versatile tool for any car owner. The AutoVIN feature allows you to quickly access your vehicle's information without the hassle of manual input, supporting over 60 car makes from around the globe. Plus, with a solid protective case included and lifetime updates at no extra cost, the NT604 Elite ensures you're investing in quality and longevity. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want peace of mind, the Foxwell NT604 Elite is undoubtedly one of the best OBD2 scanners with key programmer available today. In conclusion, finding the best OBD2 scanner with a key programmer can significantly enhance your vehicle maintenance and troubleshooting experience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, the right tool can save you time and money while providing accurate diagnostics. remember to choose a scanner that fits your specific needs and vehicle compatibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might benefit. Happy scanning, and see you in the next video.